Earn money online through YouTube. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about earn money online through YouTube. Making money from YouTube used to be as easy as importing unique content, garnering thousands and thousands of views and incomes a share of marketing revenue. Content creators now have access to several methods to monetize their content. In addition to advertising, this can consist of company sponsorships from the leading brand, fan funding, or merchandise sales. Recently, New York Times made a profile on Olga Kay, a well-known YouTuber, and published she's been income of $100,000, $130,000 from her YouTube channel per year. That's $8,300, $10.8 per month for the remaining 3 years. In the same way, many Pakistani social media celebrities and even media channels put their movies online on YouTube. Thanks to YouTube monetization, these YouTubers and TV channels make money when people watch their videos. Google Ads. Participating in the YouTube Partner Program is the first step to making money on YouTube. The partnership offers content creators the right of entry to exclusive tools, such as the capability to monetize their videos through Google AdSense. To qualify, content material creators need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of gathered watch time over the prior 12-month period. YouTube monetizes videos through pre-roll, display, and advertising and marketing formats. Advertisers pay based totally on clicks and impressions. YouTube offers the content material creator 55% of this revenue and takes 45% for itself. Content creators have to adhere to advertising and marketing guidelines. Content that includes foul language, personal content, violence, and different topics will not have commercials opposing them. This can consist of a discussion of touchy information events. Brand sponsorship. One beneficial form of advertising and marketing is brand sponsorship, additionally recognized in the digital advertising and marketing world as influencer marketing. An organization will pay a content material creator to promote a company or product inside a video. For example, early in her YouTube career, Michelle Phan drew the interest of the cosmetics company Lancome with her famous makeup tutorials. Fan funding. Another famous way to monetize a channel is through channel memberships. Fans and followers make regular month-to-month repayments in trade for bonus content material such as badges, emojis, different videos, stay chats, and extra content. YouTube companions who have reached 1,000 subscribers can allow this monetization characteristic on their accounts. Third-party offerings such as Patreon additionally assist video creators in monetizing their fan base through month-to-month memberships. Top video creators earn as a good deal as $40,000 per month from fan support. YouTube best practices. To increase their chance of attracting a large follower base, creators must observe established YouTube excellent practices. One of the most imperative fantastic practices is to create rich, enticing content. Viewers come to YouTube searching to both be entertained or for an answer to their problems. Developing excellent content is extra that the video receives, sees, and shares. Another way to expand viewership is for content material creators to optimize their videos for YouTube searches. This consists of the use of the Google Keyword Planner to locate phrases that a massive range of people search for and to consist of these key phrases inside the description and tags of the YouTube video page. Promoting the YouTube video through social media and paid media advertising and marketing is any other famous way to generate extra site visitors to the video. Revenue generation challenges. Even when all these acceptable practices are followed, there are some income technology challenges that YouTube video creators face. The median cost per 1,000 CPM advert price charged to advertisers was once simply $3.53 as of first quarter of 2020. Because creators are paid solely on monetized views and now not complete statements, the fantastic CPM they earn can be ways lower. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate advertising refers to earning a fee by promoting a product or provider via any brand. You can be an affiliate marketer for manufacturers and encompass product placements, endorsements, or other content. However, you need to disclose the partnerships to viewers in your videos. This works correctly if you evaluate products as a section of your YouTube channel. Since there's no threat worried about the brands quitting, they only pay when they make sales. There may generally be a low bar to getting started. Popular affiliate programs encompass ClickBank, 1% to 75% commission, relying on what the dealer sets, and Amazon's affiliate community, up to 10% per sale. You can additionally attain out to manufacturers in your area of interest that are running their affiliate programs, which is common in the e-commerce space. Despite these challenges, people positioned to attract a big and loyal following can earn extensive YouTube earnings. According to Forbes, the highest paid YouTube video creators are pulling in close to $20 million a year, so it is effortless to see why many chases this seemingly bottomless property of income. Hope you guys like this video. Let us know in the comment below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. See you in the next video.